We protect systems on software that you cannot buy anymore. When one of these systems fails, the consequences are immediate and there is no replacement. I'm Carl Townsend, the Managing Director of Sentinel.
I'm Purnakaran Mopidevi, Cybersecurity Specialist and Service Manager at Sentinel. What makes our client environment different is that they are completely air-gapped. There is no dedicated IT support team available on site, and we have to be catering to the requirements of high availability and zero downtime.
When recovery fails, the consequences are immediate, both in safety and every other area as well. And we need to get the customer back on track with a good solution.
To protect critical infrastructure of the customer's operations, we chose Macrium as a standard offering. So what Macrium allows us to do is to configure the network throttling so that the customers do not need to worry the backups do not interfere with their critical plant network traffic, which is the biggest game changer when you are working on obsolete equipment. During commissioning for one of our critical projects, we had to rely on Macrium support team to develop a custom diagnostic tool to sort out an issue we have at site. The tool was not only just built for us, but also included as a part of standard build from next version. What changed for us using Macrium is that it is dependable and not a false sense of security. It is easiest tool to work with, and it works under the hood, doesn't interfere with the critical traffic.
Every customer we've ever signed an SLA with has always renewed with us, and it's our reputation that's built to last. When we know recovery works, what changes the customer having the confidence that the backup solution works, which allows our staff and our engineers to do what they're best at. I would definitely recommend Macrium to other industry professionals because it's the confidence both in ourselves and also the confidence to our organisations that we know that Macrium has the right team behind it and they stand by their backups.
So I would definitely recommend Macrium to others in the industry because at the end of the day, there are a lot of tools that take backups, but the ability to recover is what defines your cyber resilience.